Today we're going to make ribs two different ways. First one's going to be sauced and the second one's going to be a rub. Hope you enjoy it. So today we are going to do some ribs, some pork ribs. I had in the freezer, time to use them. So I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to cook them two ways. And I'm going to go ahead and salt and pepper just one of them. I'm going to salt, pepper, and garlic, just one of them. And I'm going to use this War Pig on the other one. And I'm going to throw them in the smoker, let them cook 3 hours at 300. That's all I'm going to do. I do have water in there to keep them moist. I will be checking on them and spritz them if I need to. But we're just going to let them cook, and then at the end I'm going to pull the one that I just did the salt and pepper on, and I'm going to go ahead and barbecue some sauce. That one I'm probably going to just use my Sweet Baby Ray's I have in the fridge. And then we're going to compare the two. We're going to do a dry rubbed and a sauced one. And we're going to see which ones we like better. So let's get started. Alright, let's go and drying these off, dried both sides. Oh, I know what I wanted to do and I forgot to do. I'll do it in front of you. I'm gonna flip these. I'm just gonna score this. There's not really any meat there, so I don't see why I need to pull it off. I'm just gonna go score it. Yeah, I think, I know on beef ribs I like to take it off, but these little pork ribs, not a big deal. Let's get ready to... This is what you do when your football team sucks. You make ribs. You try to do something good in your life. Something to make you happy. Freaking Giants. Because they're now beating the Jets. Sorry, Ben. I'm going to take this first side. Hit it with the War Pig. Don't be gentle. You notice I'm not even using a binder on it. I'm just using the ribs. You don't want to pack it on, you just want to kind of pat it down. These are going on the smoker. I'll be back. We're going to open this guy up. I'm going to take off my glasses because every time I do that they get fogged and I'm always forget to take them off. There we go. Set it to temp. Oh, ran out of water already. Have to add some more water. So let's put our ribs in. Put these on the bottom shelf. See, I transferred them to a little rack so I can just pull them off when they're done. Let those go for 3 hours. I'll check them probably every half hour, and they look like they're drying. I'll go ahead and spritz them with some apple cider. Alright, there we go. We are about an hour and a half into this. I checked a few times. We're going to spritz it some more. Want to make sure they don't dry out on us. Look at those. That's my... Those are getting pretty close to being done. They look really good. Other three are just rubbed. Look at that smoke going. Pour out that smoke. Smoke, smoke. Press one to say smoke to the smoke. Okay, we're going to temp these things. Let's pull these out. I just put those in. I know a little while there. We're going to see how close. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. That's ready. this meat. There you go. That's ready. Okay, I'm gonna actually move the get to the camera. Okay, so these are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and actually move them real quick. Get these and see how those are. Temp those. Alright, that's done. These are all done. It took 2.5 hours. Okay. Guess I'm gonna pull these off, then I'm gonna go ahead and sauce the one that's gonna be sauced and put it back on for a little bit to let it get tacked up. So there we go. We're gonna sauce this guy up with just some Sweet Baby Ray's. You know it's ready. We're gonna get this in there and get it tacky. That's actually my favorite way of doing ribs, but we're gonna try. Maybe the rub will turn out to be my new favorite way. So I've had ribs before. I guess it's never really compared to two. But seriously, can you go wrong with any kind of ribs? I say, no. Or as my good old buddy Big Al used to say, nay, says the Alphonse. Alright. Alright, let's get this back in the smoker. Let it go for about 10-15 minutes. Okay, there we go. There's my sauce. There's my rubbed. We're going to cut some off, put them on a plate. We're going to try them. And we're going to have a full belly. There we go. So now I cut one of off. Obviously that's the sauced. That's the rubbed. Look, the rest of that dinner. Yeah, I gotta go eat. Let's finish this video. Okay, so sauced. That's pretty damn good. Set that aside. And sauce. Damn it. I think I like that just a little bit more.
I'm gonna be in.
Alright. Just cook the damn food. Cook the damn food! I'm so worried on the bottom side. No one's eating any of that. Unless you're a dog. Because a dog would eat it. I ain't no dog. Alright, let's get ready to... Is this what you do when your football team sucks? You make ribs. Try to do something good in your life. Something to make you happy.